So within the past 30 days, I passively made $193 on my $10,000 cash investment. That is about a 23.5 annualized return on just my cash alone. Now, the best part about this strategy is that I can pull out the profits and I can invest it elsewhere. Hey everybody, it's Eddie here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a arbitrage bot within a platform called Pionix. First, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step, and then I'll share more towards the end of this video. By the way, I am not a financial advisor, nor anything that I share financial advice, so make sure you do your research and due diligence before you decide to move any further. If you are interested in signing up, I do have a referral link down below. If you do use my code, it will help support this channel and everything that I do. Now, after you have signed up and you are signed in, the first thing that you're going to have to do is deposit some USDT. Now, USDT is a stable coin that a lot of exchanges use as a pair to trade with other types of cryptocurrencies. So I'm going to use crypto.com to purchase some Tether and show you how to send it the cheapest way. Also, if you're interested in learning more about crypto.com and how I navigate and use this app, I will leave my dedicated crypto.com playlist link down below. Now, the first thing that you're going to have to do is you're going to transfer some fiat. In order to do that, you're going to click on transfer, deposit, fiat, and then you're going to choose your currency. The way that I like to do it is by ACH. Click on details, and then a routing number and an account number should show up. What you're going to do is you're going to send money from your bank to this account, and then about 1 to 3 business days later, it should arrive into your fiat wallet. Next, I'm going to click on trade, buy, and then you're going to search Tether. And technically, you can buy Tether with your credit card, but there will be a 3% fee within crypto.com. Now, if you're a brand new user, for the first 30 days, there's going to be 0 fees. So that's really nice. But in my case, I'm going to click on Fiat Wallet, and then I'm going to buy the max amount of USDT that I can buy. There's going to be a $0 fee because you're purchasing with fiat. We're going to click on confirm, and now my Tether is available within my crypto.com wallet. Next, I'm going to click on Tether, transfer, withdraw, external wallet. Click on the top right plus sign, add a new wallet address, and then it's going to give you a couple of network options. Now we're going to choose BSC and not ERC20 because there's going to be about a $25 fee with ERC20, whereas the BSC or Binance Smart Chain Network, it's only going to be $2. So you're going to be saving $23. Now they do have a mobile version, but for this whole example, I'm going to be using the desktop version. Now if we go back on the Pionix account, it's going to give you different options over here, and you don't have to use crypto.com to send Tether over, right? If there's another exchange you use and you have Tether there and you want to send it through the Tron network, you can go ahead and do that because that's going to be a lot cheaper. But in our case, we're going to choose BSC. There's going to be a wallet address right over here. You're going to copy it and paste it into your crypto.com app, or you can click on the QR code or hover over it. Click on the QR sign and then hover over the QR code. What is up, everybody? Right there, boom. And the wallet address should automatically paste into the app. We're going to name the wallet Pionix BSC. Be very specific with this. Continue. And then the address should be saved within the app. Now I'm going to click on withdraw USDT. Click on the max amount. Withdraw. And like I've mentioned, the fee is only going to be $2. Click on confirm. And then within 5 to 10 minutes, your funds should arrive into your account. Now we're going to go over how to set this bot up. We're going to go to the top left corner, click on trade. And if you go to the right side, you're going to see something called Spot Futures Arbitrage Bot. 15 to 50% APR with low risk. And I'll explain what that all means after I create it. Now, there are going to be 3 types of results. There's the 7-day, the 30-day, and the 180-day. By the time you're watching this video, the percentage rates might be different. They may be higher, they might be lower. But it's really going to depend on the market conditions and the type of coin you choose. Right now, I have Ethereum highlighted, but if you click on this, you're going to see that Doge has the highest return. But just because it's the highest doesn't mean it should be the one that you should go for. Right now, everything is sorted by funding fee. You can sort by the 30-day. So within the past 30 days, ICP did really well. Within the past 180 days, Clay did well. Don't know what this one is. In the past 7 days, we have Sandbox that did really well. Now, if it's your first time setting this up, I do recommend you choosing Bitcoin or Ethereum first because their price levels are a lot more stable and the way they climb, the way they dip are a lot more controlled compared to a lot of these other altcoins where they sometimes just shoot up or just just shoot down. For this example, I'm actually going to go ahead and choose Bitcoin because I already have an Ethereum one set up, and you can't set up two of the same kinds. But what you can do is you can add on to it, which I'll show in a bit. Now, in order to set this bot up, I need a minimum of 115 USDT to set one up for Bitcoin. It might be less for some of the altcoins you choose. So if I choose VeChain, it's going to be 50, which is a lot more affordable, but I want to set up Bitcoin and I need 115. Now I'm going to do the max amount, not the max amount. I'm going to choose, let's just do like 150 because we're going to use the other 50 to add it on to my current position. You can click on unfold and it's going to give you a leverage option of 1, 2, 3. I recommend you just keep it on 2. So you don't really have to touch any of this. If you do want to learn more about the advanced settings, you can click on tutorials and read more about it. Now we're going to go ahead and create it and create it successfully. That is it. We're going to go to my orders, my trading bots, and we're going to go over spot futures arbitrage. And then there is going to be an opening fee. Now this fee will be covered up within like 3 days. So it's not really a big deal, but all I got to do is keep this running and I'll get paid out 3 times every single day. Like on November 11th, I got paid out 76 cents, 76 cents, and $1.20, which is an average, I think about $2.70 if I'm doing my math correctly, which is slightly lower than average because the markets are slightly down. November 3rd time, I was getting paid out $3.50, $2, and $3.80 all in one day. During that time, the APR was 41%, 21%, and 38%. Now, I know the APR right here sounds extremely confusing, and you're probably wondering how are these numbers calculated, and let me quickly go over that with you. Now, I'm going to grab this example right over here because it's going to be a lot easier to calculate because I got paid out 0.75, 0.75, 0.77. Although these are 2 different dates, it's just for an example purpose only, right? On average, we got paid out around 8.5% right over here. Now we're going to grab the 8.5%, 0.085, multiply that by $10,000 because that's how much I invested, equals $850. That's how much I would get paid out annually if it stayed at a consistent 8.5% return. But it was only for that day, right? So we're going to divide that by 365 because that is how many days are in a year, equals $2.32. That is how much I got paid that day. So if you do 77 cents times 3, you should get close to $2.30. 0.77 times 3 equals $2.30, which is what we got earlier, and that is how these numbers are calculated. We're gonna go back all the way to when I first started this. On this day, I got paid out as if I was earning 20%, 24%, 31%. 30, 17, 18, and the profits come in every single day regardless of the market condition. Now, if all of that was confusing, I'm going to share one more example and hope it helps. Now, in the past 30 days, I made $193 on my profits. That was an annual return of 23.32%. So, 0.2332, which is this number over here, we're going to multiply that by the $10,000 that I have invested, equals $2,332 that I would earn annually. We're going to divide that by 12 because, it's only been 30 days, about a month since I ran the bot. 12 months in a year equals 194.33, which is very, very close to this number over here. In about a day, which is 31 days, it should be $194. So you're going to want to pay attention to the history APR versus the today or the 7-day APR. Now, after you've ran the bot for about a month or 2 and you want to add more into your investment, all you got to do is click on more, add investment, and then I had 50 USDT left. So I'm going to click on all, confirm, and I've added $50 more into my account. Now, keep in mind, there are fees involved. Nothing is free, and that's totally understandable, but the fees are extremely low. In the past 30 days, I've been charged or feed $10.30 for a total profit of $187. I really can't complain about that because all of this is automated and I don't really have to worry about it. Now, you're probably looking at these rates and wondering, how is this even possible, right? It's better than my bank, it's better than Celsius, it's better than Crypto.com, BlockFi, everywhere else. How do you earn 23% on your dollars? Now, I can try to explain everything to you in detail, but you probably not understand 90% of the things that I say. So what you can do is you can go to the website, you can read more about how this whole bot runs, and I'll try to explain it as simple as possible. Now, in the world of trading, there are people who long the market and there are people who short the market. People who long the market are betting that the market will continue higher, and when it does, they make money. People who short the market are betting that the market will go lower, and when it does, they make money. Now, when they short or long the market, they don't just buy Bitcoin like we do on the market, right? We don't go to Coinbase or crypto.com and just purchase crypto. Instead, the way they trade is by leverage. And every time these traders make trades, there are fees involved, right? People who are longing have fees, people who are shorting have fees. And what we're doing inside this arbitrage bot is that we're setting a long and setting a short trade, and we are offsetting the losses and the gains, and we are just profiting on just the fees alone. For example, within the $10,000 that I have invested, half of it, which is $5,000, is used to short the market, to bet that the market will go down, and the other half is used to long the market, which is betting that the market will continue higher. When the market does continue higher, this is in profit, but this one is in loss. But they offset each other, right? Vice versa, if the market goes down, the short position is in profit, but the long position is in a loss. But because one's in profit, one's in loss, they just cancel each other. Therefore, my $10,000 investment never fluctuates, never goes up and down. It remains the same. But instead, during that trading session, there are fees involved, and all we're doing is collecting the fees. This is an amazing way to earn passive income just on the fees alone without the fluctuation of the crypto market. Now, like every investment, there are risks involved, right? This is not a risk-free type of investment, but the risk level, if I had to choose between 10 being really risky and 1 being very low risk, this is about a 1, right? Especially because I chose Bitcoin and Ethereum. The only time this would be extremely risky is if Ethereum dropped to like $1,200-$1,500 within a couple of minutes, or if Bitcoin just shot up to like 100K within like a minute or two, right? That's probably never gonna happen, but those are the only times where it'd be extremely risky. But because we are running this through a bot on Pionex, they will actually manage that for you if that incident or event were ever to happen. So personally for myself, I'm actually not worried at all. Like I plan on just keeping this in here forever, like until I actually need the money, because technically I could earn interest on my stable coins within Celsius, Crypto.com, or BlockFi. But if you do take a little bit more extra steps and decide to go this route, then you could earn almost double or a lot more. It's just the only thing is a lot of people don't like taking extra steps and they want to go the simpler route with Celsius, BlockFi, or Crypto.com. And if the market were to ever dip and there was a great buying opportunity, all I gotta do is close this bot out and I can buy the dip with the stable coins that I have. Now, one tip that I do want to share, and this is just my personal opinion, if you're gonna set this bot up, you can't put all your eggs in one basket if you're choosing just Bitcoin or just Ethereum. In my case, I only chose Ethereum and I decided to put most of my funds in here. But if you decide to go with some of these other altcoins which have a slight more risk but more reward, then I do recommend choosing at least 2 to 3 types of coins and run them at once. So if you want to do $1,000, you would split it up into threes and add it into 3 different types of coins. Also, I don't recommend you, closing in and out of different types of bots. Just choose one and let it run for months, right? That is why I just chose Ethereum, because I want to set it and forget it. You don't want to be actively managing these things, because Doge could be really good right now, but in about 6 months, it might not be. So you'll have to close it out, set a new one, and kind of repeat. Again, you can go to the website and read more about how this is all done, but hopefully this video was helpful. That will be it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave it down below. Consider checking out the Patreon group, link down below. It is where I share all my buys and sells and how I'm navigating through these markets. And if you're interested in learning more about Pionex, I do have a dedicated Pionex playlist, link down below. But other than that, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Over. Good night, good morning, adios.